Hi mga kasoldering, so for today's video, ang ipapakita po namin is ESD kit, anti-static field service kit with ESD logo on bar, ESD-FS-KIT. So, ayun lang guys, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel and TikTok accounts. Thank you!